Ever wished your iPhone screen was magically beamed onto your MacBook? Guess what? It's not magic, it's mirroring. In this video, we are diving into 2 easy methods to mirror an iPhone display to a MacBook. I am Des and you're watching Des Gadget City. Let's get started. The first method is via a USB cable, and we'll be using a QuickTime Player app for this. So first, connect your iPhone to a MacBook with a USB cable. Upon connecting your iPhone to your MacBook, you may see a pop-up notification on your iPhone screen asking if you trust the connected computer. Tap Trust to establish a secure connection between your devices. On your MacBook, launch the QuickTime Player application. You can find it by using the Spotlight search feature or locating it in the Applications folder. In the QuickTime Player menu, click on File and then select New Movie Recording. This will open a new window with a recording interface. By default, your MacBook built-in camera will be activated. Next, click on the small arrow beside the record button in the recording window. A drop-down menu will appear displaying available camera and microphone sources. From the menu, select your iPhone as the camera source. Once you have selected your iPhone as the camera source, your iPhone screen will start mirroring on your MacBook. You can now view and interact with your iPhone's display on a larger screen. The second method I'm going to show you is the wireless method, and we'll be using the screen mirroring option for this. So first, connect your iPhone and MacBook to the same Wi-Fi network. On your iPhone, open the control center and tap on the screen mirroring option. A list of available devices will appear. Select your MacBook from the list and your iPhone screen will be mirrored to your MacBook wirelessly. You should know that the steps may vary slightly depending on the version of iOS or Mac OS you may be using. Now, mirroring your iPhone to your Mac isn't just about having a giant iPhone screen, although let's be honest, that's pretty cool too, but it kind of unlocks a world of possibilities. Imagine delivering a presentation with a stunning visuals and smooth transitions, all controlled from your iPhone. Mirroring lets you use your iPhone as a remote control, navigating slides and highlighting key points with ease. Also, let's say you are collaborating for a project with other people. Mirroring allows everyone to see your iPhone screen in real time, making it easy to share ideas, edit documents, or browse the web collaboratively. Another important point is app demonstrations. Mirroring allows you to showcase an app's feature and functionality directly on your Mac, making it ideal for tutorials, reviewing an app, or creating app demos for work. So whether you're a professional on the go, a content creator, or simply someone who wants to get the most out of both your iPhone and Mac, mirroring offers a convenient and versatile way to really enhance your digital experience. Alright, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I am Des and this is Des Gadget City. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay awesome.